This is Carlton Brown reporting for Human Access and Economic Development about the rights of a lady that was totally disregarded, and her Bill of Rights and constitutional rights were violated, and this is her story.
I was in my car for 10 minutes. After this state of shock, my mouth was bleeding, my chest, back, neck, and head was hurting. I also had pain on my right side, below my breast, below my right breast. I've been having trouble sleep. I've been having trouble sleep at night. With shockiness of breath. I went to medical center to emergency room on January 25th, 2012. The doctor prescribed me medication. I have to miss a week of work inclusive. This accident was not my fault. This accident was not my fault. This accident was not my fault. I feel like this is not right, and the right solution is needed to prevail.
Okay, ma'am, on the day you went to court, what were the results of when you went to court and the actions of the police officer during the police report?
Well, I went to the court February 16. I know it's not my fault, so I'm not guilty. I come back, please schedule my court. March 8th, I went to the court, March 8th. Nobody's there. I was looking for police officers there. He didn't show up. And the judge said, your case is dismissed. So still I don't, it's not fair. These things need to be fair, please.
What was the results of the officer doing the police report?
The police report put me on running continue, and he put me two different words. One is I'm running continue, that he says she want to continue driving, and one he says she follow closely. So what is that different word? Like one he says she follow closely, and one he says she continue running and driving continue.
Driving, okay. Also, what has been the results of them dismissing the case, the officer not doing a proper police report, and the judge not redoing the police report to make it accurate, and also the public officials who are responsible for showing up in court did not show up What was the result of the insurance company and also your injuries?
Well, my insurance company, they need to prove because the judge says your case is this basic, so we need to have something. I cannot even talk to the insurance company because they don't have proof. They have to have proof. Because he gives me tickets first time.
Okay, what about your injuries and what are you being treated for?
I went to hospital, medical hospital, and Carol brought doctor. So they give me 5 different medicines.
Where are your injuries to?
I'm injured in my mouth, was bleeding, my chin hurt, my hair hurt, my punching, I'm not good punching, my hair still hurts. Even I take the medicine helping me a little bit, but it's not really. My hair hurts, and my chest hurts, and my breath hurts, and I'm hurting all of my body, like my right shoulder and my left shoulder and my right chest and below my breast, and I have trouble sleeping at night for shortness breath.
Okay.
Shortness breath.
Okay, now sit over there. Don't let them see your face. Okay. My name is Carlton Brown, and I'm reporting for Human Excellence and Economic Development, a new generation of entrepreneurs and opportunities for people around the world. What we do is we have an injustice division, and we stand up for those who have been rights have been totally violated, and the rights of the rich are upheld. We're not accusing anyone of specifically targeting out to do anything. We want you to decide by us reporting the story. Now, if you did not clearly hear the lady speaking, here's what her statement is. I was driving on Memorial Drive on January 24th, 2012, time 6:05 p.m. And I want you to know that there are recordings all around this city. So we will be filing an open records request to get the video of the accident. There is a lot of errors in this case. Before a mile before Moreland Avenue, approaching a red light, I was at a complete stop. All of a sudden, a man driving a UPS truck reversed into my vehicle. I was in my car for 10 minutes after this in a state of shock. My mouth was bleeding. My chest, back, neck, and head was hurting. I also had pains on my right side below my right breast. I have trouble sleeping at night with shortness of breath. I went to the Cab Medical Center, ER, on 125/12. The doctor prescribed me medications, which are 5 different medications. I have to miss a week of work. In closing, this accident was not my fault. The accident was not my fault. It was not my fault. These are her words. I feel like this is not the right, and the right resolution needs to prevail. Also, the officer made a report on this accident, and he totally fabricated the evidence. He did not understand the lady's English, and he also wrote the report wrong. And when she went to court, I will read in a minute, the officer wrote that she was driving and could not stop. These are not the facts of this case. She was at a complete stop at a red light. The lady who is responsible for the accident said that she hit her, but the evidence in video, when it's obtained, will clearly show beyond a reasonable doubt that the lady went too far past the stoplight. She backed up. The UPS did not want to be hit, so he reversed his vehicle and hit this lady and injured her, and she cannot. And when she went to court, I have the statement here of what happened in court. She went to court on March 8th, 2012. February 16th, it was held over because no one showed up. The officer who made the report did not show up in court violating this lady's right to due process of law. Also, on March 8th, when she went to court, the officer did not want to be held accountable for making a false report, so he did not come in the courtroom. He violated this lady's rights of due process of law. Also, the case was dismissed by the lawyer, by the judge, and because of this, the lady has a car totaled. She cannot move around. She has doctor bills. The insurance company does not want to be responsible because the judge dismissed the case and the officer made an inaccurate report by not calling an interpreter to make sure that he understood everything that was going on. They didn't check the facts in this case, the videotapes. This camera is full. This city is full of traffic cameras. They watch everything. Every building has security on it. They watch every move people make. Also, the Fifth Amendment was violated, which states, in any criminal case, a witness against him shall not be privileged of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. It is the Fifth Amendment of the Bill of Rights and also a constitutional right violation. Also, in her own words, on the day of the accident, she wrote right here, excuse me, the woman backed up and hit the UPS truck, and then the UPS truck hit my car while I was waiting at a red light. The police report, the officer did not understand and wrote and listened to the lady who caused the accident, and the UPS driver would not accept responsibility for what he had done. Waiting at the red light, and he totaled my car. Memorial Drive before collided. There where the accident occurred. We will have the video in a future report that will clearly show. We want to send this evidence to the Civil Rights Division in Washington, D.C. Also, we want to send it to the ACLU, the NAACP, and any civil rights attorney, and any information that you have that can help us get justice for this person. The justice system is not perfect, and we can't fix it because people make mistakes. But the right thing can be done in this case so this lady can have a piece of happiness in this life. This is Carlton Brown reporting for Human Excellence and Economic Development, creating a new generation of entrepreneurs and doing the right thing for people all over the world. So anyone that has information or resources available or someone we can contact to help this lady and bring her so she can have some peace within herself, because nobody deserves to be violated. This is Carlton reporting. Please send all emails, information to www.heed marketinggroup.com. You can leave me a message. Just click on my name, and we look forward to hearing from you, because the world does care and there are good people out there somewhere. Thank you.